Let me tell you something real quick. Ignoring AI now is like ignoring the internet in 1999. AI is reshaping how we work, how we create, and how people make money. You've probably seen it already. A friend starting a side hustle with AI, people selling AI arts, YouTubers pumping out content overnight, and people who are learning the skills, they're actually getting ahead and staying relevant. But here is a problem. The internet is full of AI tools that promise quick riches but deliver nothing. That's why I'm breaking down 7 AI tools that can make you rich as a freelancer, creator, or just as a beginner who is just tired of trading time for money. Let's dive in. Alright, let's talk about Midjourney. Even if you've never touched AI before, Midjourney is going to be a game changer. Midjourney lets you create jaw-dropping, high-quality art using just a few words. That's it. No design degree, no fancy software, just your ideas and a couple of prompts. And here's where it gets interesting. People are using Midjourney to start actual businesses. I'm talking AI-generated art prints, posters, digital wallpapers, you name it. There are folks making thousands every month selling AI art on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. Others are building entire Instagram pages full of stunning AI images, growing their audience and turning that into March sales or digital products. And the best part is you don't need to be an artist or you don't need to have a lot of experience. You just basically need to have a little bit of creativity and Midjourney handles the rest. So if you're someone who always wanted to get into the art or design space but always kind of felt held back by the time commitment or like the design tech tools, then this one is definitely a shortcut for you. If writing feels overwhelming to you and you just hate staring at the blank screen, then this one is a lifesaver. Jasper takes that pressure off by generating marketing copy, product descriptions, or social captions in seconds. Here's the reality. Every business needs content. Doesn't matter if it's like a candle shop or a fast-growing startup. If they're online, they need words that sell. And that's where Jasper comes in. Freelancers use it to crank out email copy, website copy, or like ad headlines to make the process way faster, and clients, they absolutely love it. Just think about it. Suppose you land a gig where you have to deliver 10 product descriptions. Normally, it would take you hours of typing. But with Jasper, that only takes minutes. You basically have to feed it some details and tweak a little bit, and you're basically done. And this leads to more projects, more income, and less burnouts. And in 2025, the demand for fast, effective content is only growing. If you can deliver that with AI like Jasper, you're basically stacking your income potential. Tool number 3, Canva Magic Studio. Let's talk about Canva, specifically Canva Magic Studio. This tool makes design simple even if you've never opened Photoshop. With this tool, with just a few clicks, you can create clean, professional visuals that look like they belong in a brand's feed. Social posts, pitch decks, logos, templates, AI does most of the heavy lifting. It suggests you colors, layouts, fonts, and even images based on your preferences. Freelancers are using it to batch create content for clients, build presentations, and sell digital products like Instagram templates or brand kits. It's one of the easiest ways to offer design work without years of experience. You can produce work that looks polished and professional, and you can do it fast. In 2025, the demand for visual content is increasing. Brands, creators, businesses, everyone is fighting for attention. And if you can deliver high-quality designs fast, you basically stay competitive, you deliver results, you save time, and you open the door to more steady income. Tool number 4, Notion AI. Alright, let's talk Notion AI. You've already probably seen people using Notion for their notes, to-do lists, their business plan all in one place. But here's what most people don't realize. Notion is just not for staying organized. It can be one of the easiest ways to create and sell digital products. And with Notion AI built in, that process gets 10 times faster. Let's look at how people are cashing in. They're building productivity templates, business dashboards, planners, even client management systems, all inside Notion. Then they package those templates up and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Some creators, they're making thousands a month selling Notion templates for freelancers, entrepreneurs, or even students. And Notion AI takes the grunt work out of building those templates. It helps you generate page layouts, brainstorm content, clean up your writing all inside your workspace. That means faster creation, better products, and more income opportunities. If you ever wanted to make passive income but didn't know where to start, digital templates can be one of the easiest and low-cost ways to get started. And with Notion AI, that becomes really accessible, even if you have never built one before. Tool number 5, ChatGPT. We cannot talk AI money tools without mentioning the one that started all the buzz. And listen, if you've only scratched the surface of what this thing can do, you're basically leaving money on the table. ChatGPT is way more than just a chatbot. It's basically your AI writing assistant, your brainstorming partner, and your research buddy, all in one. Here is how people are making real income with it. Freelancers use ChatGPT to draft articles, product descriptions, or social media content for clients, just like we do with Jasper AI. Online business owners use it to write emails, brainstorm offers. They also use it to brainstorm their positioning and basically to create their entire brand identity or whip up landing page copy. Even beginners, they're turning ChatGPT into income by creating and selling prompt packs, little collection of AI prompts that help others get better results. And trust me, this is way more valuable than it sounds. And the best part is, which you probably already know, is you don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. You type your prompt, it gives you content, and it's basically that simple. You can polish it up, add your style, and deliver professional work fast. 2025 is only going to make this more powerful with GPT-4 Turbo and beyond. So if you're already using ChatGPT to automate tasks, save time, or produce more, you're not competing with AI. You're building with it, partnering with it to scale your skills and your income. Tool number 6. Pictory AI. If you've been thinking about getting into video content, then this tool is going to be your best friend. Pictory AI can turn simple text to professional full videos just in minutes. It could be from blog posts, scripts, or even raw ideas. Let's look at how people are making money using Pictory AI. Faceless YouTube channel. You've seen them. The motivational videos, listicles, narrated clips with stock footage. A lot of those are built with tools like Pictory, and those channels, they're pulling in ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and building passive income streams without ever showing their face or editing videos manually, which, if you didn't know, takes hours and hours of work. And it's not just YouTube. Freelancers use Pictory to create video ads for small businesses, convert blog content into social videos, or build promotional clips for clients fast. The AI handles the video editing, adds relevant stock footage, even subtitles, so you can focus on scaling your projects. And with short-form content exploding in 2025, video creation is one of the biggest income opportunities out there. Pictory makes it simple, beginner-friendly, and scalable, even if you've never edited a video in your life. Tool number 7, durable AI. Now, if you wanted to make money building websites, but figured that it's too complicated, technical, or too time-consuming for you, then this AI flips the whole game. Durable uses AI to create full professional websites for you in minutes. I mean, I'm not even exaggerating. I'm talking layout, design, copy, images, all of it. Previously, it would take like weeks, even months to design a website. And here's the money angle. Freelancers are using Durable to offer website packages to small businesses. Local shops, coaches, creators, everyone needs a website, but not everyone has the time or budget to hire a full agency. That's where you come in. Durable makes it possible to spin up a clean modern site for a client fast and still charge a solid fee for your time and your service. Picture this, you offer done-for-you websites for $300 to $500, even more, depending on the project, but instead of spending days coding or designing from scratch, Durable AI handles the heavy lifting. You tweak a few things, make it client-ready, and move on to the next project. In 2025, having an online presence isn't just optional, it's essential. And if you can help businesses get online fast with the help of AI tools like Durable, then you have unlocked a steady, scalable income stream. So look, AI revolution isn't slowing down. The ones that are winning are not waiting for the perfect time. They're already leveraging these tools to stack their skills, to save time, to automate tasks, and to generate multiple income streams. So make sure you test this out and check which one works best for you. Ciao for now. I'll see you in the next one.